Welcome back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. Today's job lead is very exciting for me to share because it seems to require no experience whatsoever, no degree. It's in the healthcare billing field, and they're paying very well. The company is Spring Health. They have a 3.7 out of 5-star rating on Glassdoor. Of course, both the Glassdoor page and the application page, if you're interested in applying, are always linked in the YouTube description box below this video. But Spring Health is hiring a billing specialist for member support. Now, this is going to require some phone work, but Spring Health is a comprehensive mental health solution for employers and health plans. So you will be dealing in the mental health space, but they are looking for somebody to be responsible for answering member billing inquiries and creating clear, actionable, positive experiences. You'll be the point of contact for the member billing inquiries via both phone and email. You'll help problem solve patient issues and creatively come up with solutions that meet the patient's needs as well as the organization's needs. You'll work collaboratively with other billing specialists, revenue cycle, and benefit teams to help provide an excellent streamlined experience for the patient. Of course, you'll be contributing to team development through participating in team problem solving, process creation, and team meetings. Now, best part about this, the only thing they're requiring is someone who has strong written and verbal communication skills with a patient-centric tone, someone who can be very hyper-organized and have attentive to detail on all angles of a given problem, someone who can be creative, think analytically, and maintain a positive and empathetic attitude, but still being professional with the member at all time. So you have to have great interpersonal and customer service skills. And that is it. Now, as far as pay goes, it says that the target range for this position is anywhere from $32.05 an hour all the way up to $39.62 an hour. Of course, that's part of a competitive total rewards package. It includes stock options, benefits, incentive pay for eligible roles, all of that. Now, they are providing quite a few other benefits, such as a $500 per year wellness reimbursement, up to $1,000 professional reimbursement per calendar year, and $200 per calendar year donation matching support to your favorite causes. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. I'm trying to revamp my channel and be more helpful to you, so please leave down in the comments if you have any suggestions of anything that I could do differently, anything that I could improve on, change, different types of job leads that you're actually looking for that would be helpful to you. Or if you're getting burnt out on work from home job leads, let me know that also down below in the comments, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.